Uh-oh. Oh. Dude, she's behind us! No! You should play the apartment. Oh my god, it's so scary. What is up, you guys? Realistic Gaming here. Today we are here on Roblox, and as you can see, we're gonna be playing the apartment. Apparently it's supposed to be like this awesome horror game on Roblox that I have not played yet myself, and I'm a bit disappointed because you guys know I like playing all these scary Roblox games. So here we are, we're gonna jump in this apartment game, and hopefully it lives up to its expectations because I really want to get spookified. And before we start this video, it is Friday, so happy Friday to everybody. You guys are awesome. Shout out to the Yeet Squad. I love you all, man. And okay, let's read the description. It says, your friend wants you to go to his room, 705. Alright, so pretty basic. Let's jump into this. Alright, and here we are inside this apartment complex. It seems a little, it seems like a basic apartment complex and nothing too scary yet. Hey, what's up, Pupper Lover? Alright, we're here with Pupper Lover, and let's begin this apartment gameplay. Oh, great. Okay, so as we can see, something happened. It seems like the elevator's broken down. Oh my god, there's a ladder there. Okay, so great. We have to go all the way to room 705, and we're barely on the first floor. Bruh. So that's gonna be a total nightmare trying to climb up all those flights of stairs. Dude, 700? You gotta be kidding me, man. Okay, the door's open. Come on, let's go this way. Okay, so here we go off to the staircase. Due to the elevator being broken down. Oh gosh, the real nightmare is gonna be all these stairs, huh? All right, I see this game how it's gonna be. Okay, come on, don't Cupid psycho. Oh my god. Okay, don't be a little too psycho on me. The light just turned off. Yeah, dude, the lights are turning off. Oh my god, okay, this is what I'm talking about, yo. I'm feeling the adrenaline. I'm liking this already. Come on, I thought you were psycho. You're not supposed to be scared. Oh my gosh. Okay, what if we press the button here? Come on, you gotta work.
Nope.
No, come on, this is torture. Oh my god, okay, let's keep on moving. Alright, so we clearly hear someone behind this door. Hey! Open! This dude's just gonna cough in there. Alright, whatever. Let's keep on moving. A bit strange, but we shall not say a thing. Come on, no, we gotta keep moving to the 7th floor. We're barely gonna go on to the 2nd. Oh, we're on going to the 3rd floor now. Okay, so we're getting a little closer to the 7th floor. Dude, you're so slow. Come on. I don't want to leave you behind because every time people separate in horror stuff, it goes bad. They're knocking on the door? Knock, knock! Okay, let's just keep moving. Let's pretend like that didn't just happen. Alright, so here we go. Oh my god, all these doors are locked. Like, you can't open a single door. Yo, there's a baby crying. What is going on in this place, man? Oh my god. Okay, so each floor you go, it's like something weirder happens. I like that, man. That's my type of thing. Okay, let's keep on moving. We're going on to the 4th floor. We're getting a bit closer to our destination, which is the 7th. Okay, I just heard like is a light flickering? Okay, it is. Don't scare me like that. Oh my god. Okay, that one just turned off completely. There better not be something right there. I swear I'm gonna quit this game if something jump scares me. And no! Okay, what if we go back down? Oh, it's locked. Of course. Okay, because they want us to keep going up and up. Alright, game. Pretty nice. Okay, so great. The light is flickering down the hallway. Oh my god, come on. This is a bad sign already. And oh, dude, what is that? It looks like some lady shadow. Yeah, no, right? Oh my god. All right, okay, she is gone. Dude, that was so creepy. Like, what was she even doing there? Right, maybe she was trying to tell us something. Oh my god, the lights turned off down the hallway. Dude, come on, this elevator has to work. Why is it not working if there's no yellow tape? I mean, the left one was broken. Why isn't the right one working, man? Okay, that came from the elevator shaft. Yeah, let's walk away slowly in reverse. Like we didn't hear anything. Oh my god, why am I going down the dark hallway? I swear, she better not pop out right there, man. Please don't jump out. Oh my god, she was right there. Yo, oh my god, alright, I'm getting the chills. Do you want to keep going? I don't either, man, but let's keep going. Okay, so clearly the giant looking figure was going up. Oh my god, so wait, what if they're trying to get to the room before us? Or what if they already are up here? Oh no, okay, whatever. Let's just be a thug about this and keep going. Yo, there's like screams. What's up with those laughters? Dude, she's down there. Oh my god, that is big old feet. That's like big for Tamara. Okay, oh. Seems like she's trying to break down that door. You see that, right? I'm not going crazy, am I? My god, okay, what if we get closer? Hello? What in the... Dude, she headbutt the door! Oh my god, she's fairly desperate to get in there. Hey, why are you letting me go first? She doesn't want to go first. Alright, I'm gonna be a thug about this. And she vanished and the lights are flickering. Nice. I like this intensity. Okay, let's keep going down the hallway. Oh my god, I better not get jump scared here. I'm sacrificing myself for you, man. So let's keep going. You gotta stay behind me at least. Okay, so the lights keep flickering. And the further we go, we see more of this dark shadow figure popping out. Dude, what? No, it's running. Oh my god. What was that? Dude, we hear like something running at us. Oh my god, is that blood? It looks like blood, and it's coming from this door. What? That's not blood, is it? It's like a paper. What is that? I can't tell. It's like some sort of drawing. Man, whoever drew that, you suck at drawing. You need to draw better. And the chair just moved on its own. Okay, let's keep going. My god, it's so dark here. Okay, that's the light. There's the laughter again. It's that maniac laugh. Who's coming from this room? Open! I know you're in there. Oh my god, it's getting louder. Just stop. Okay, whatever. Oh my god. Okay, they just knocked on that door. Why is there a table here? This is weird. Now there's tables? Hello? Okay, there's nobody here but the two of us. Uh-oh. Oh. Dude, she's behind us! No! Oh, she just disappeared right in front of us. It looked like she was about to take Pub or Lover, but she didn't. Oh my god. Alright, good thing she went after her and not me. Okay, there's more of those red papers on the ground. I wonder what they signify, what they're symbolized. What is that? Like some weird drawing. I don't know, man. I mean, it has to mean something. No entry. Okay, oh, there's notes. What if we go down? Okay, nothing. Okay, nothing here. Whatever. Okay, it's leading us up. At least that's what it seems like. Okay, so the 7th floor is the last floor. We've made it to the 7th floor, guys. Here goes nothing. Now, all we have to look for is the 705, I believe was the number. Even though these doors don't even have numbers on them, bro. Oh my god, yes, the light is flickering. I just heard like a crunch. Oh my god, dude, there's a door open down the hallway. Alright, let's go move over here. Oh my god. I don't want to go in there, but we have to. We gotta go in there. What if I skip the room and I go down the hallway? You know what? I'm gonna go down the hallway real quick and I'll come back to the room. Just in case there's like something, you know? You never know, man, until you check it out. Okay, what's over here? And okay, there's just another staircase. That was nothing. Why did I do that to myself? I just wanted to see if there was like some little mysterious thing there. But apparently not. Okay, so we have made it to room 705 where our friend wanted us to meet him. Oh, I hear flies. Okay, that's not good. That symbolizes there's a dead body in the building. Okay, I know there's gonna be a dead body around the corner. Or maybe the poop is what stinks and that's why there's flies. But I highly doubt it. Oh my god, dude, he's right here. Oh no, I'm hearing the running. Oh no, I don't want to get out of the room now. Get out, get out. Oh my god. Yo, what happened to him? Okay, so there's something waiting outside for us because we heard the footsteps. No, okay, it's your turn to go first, man. I was first the entire time. Alright, you know what? We gonna be thugs, man, and we're gonna get out of this place. Oh my god, okay, I am not scared. Let's walk out of this door. Okay. Is that it? I mean, I heard the footsteps. No. Okay, guys. Oh no. Okay, you know what? I'm running out of here. I'm gonna go back to the first floor and get out of this place. Yo, okay, I don't think we're supposed to stay here any longer. You know what? I'm gonna get out of this place. Let's get out of here. I don't know if we're supposed to run back or not. But you know what? Okay, we're clearly supposed to go this way because I heard spooky music. Maybe we're supposed to follow the notes? No? Okay, we're on the 6th floor. But I heard like a sound effect. Dude, she's down the hallway! Oh my god, you see that? Oh my god, okay, I don't wanna go down the hall, but I mean, she's waiting for us down there. Take him? No, take her! Oh my god, dude, she's ready to sacrifice me. You know what? I'm not afraid. I'm gonna walk towards this thing. And I'm not gonna get scared because no. Why don't we just take the elevator? Oh, what? The elevator door just opened. I know she's clearly gonna throw me down the elevator. Oh my god, do we look down there? What? Okay, nothing happened. I'm just gonna go straight at this thing, whatever it is. You freaky looking Oh! What was that? Oh, true ending. Oh, we got a true ending. Oh my god, yo, what is this thing?
Oh my god.
What in the heck is going on? And met by Tupong. Oh my god, alright. Shout out to Tupong and this awesome made game. Yo, that is like some freaky figure. That thing looks so freaky. Alright, it's some sort of like mannequin lady with long hair. Oh, we can push it? Hey! Nah. Oh my god. Oh, no. What? It just flung me out of the map. Alright, so now we can watch TV together because we're friends now. So take a seat, please. And let's enjoy this channel. Oh, what? Dude, we just saw her like run and go after Pupper Lover. That was pretty freaky, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, you guys, well, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to slap the like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and turn that notification bell on. And I will see you guys in the next one. Yeet!